Hello, in this video we're gonna check all box accessories that comes with Nokia X30. So phone is already unpacked, you can see it right here. Now we can unbox the entire box, and inside there's this cardboard which you can scan QR code for apps, I guess. There's recycled materials information, that's fine. Here we have the foil or paper foil that came with this phone. It was packed inside it, and there's a bunch of instructions, and here we have USB cable. Let's take the instructions out. Depending on the region, they are in different languages. There's also multiple languages inside, but they starting with a default one, I would say. And here we have SIM card needle. And that's all of the accessories that comes with this phone. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.